All right, so you just bought yourself a sweet Earlywood Essentials set and you're wondering how it's going to show up at your house. This is how we wrap it for you, and this is what it's going to look like. First, we'll put it in some tissue paper for you. Then, we've got a craft paper here. We're going to throw in one of these wood care packages that has a Scotch-Brite in it and care instructions right on the back. We're also going to throw in one of these insert cards. Tells you how to use these flat utensils if you're not familiar with them. Tells you which woods we use, how we donate $1 from every order to the Atlantic rainforest to replant trees, and who we are and where it came from. We're going to slide that in there. If you say so, when you check out, we'll write you a handwritten note on this little Earlywood piece of paper right here. We're going to slide that in. We're going to wrap this all up. We're going to put a nice little Earlywood sticker on the back for you. We're going to take this nice padded Earlywood envelope, throw this right in there, seal her up. And put your name on it. And it's out the door.